pandemic. When he walks in, we're going to say, surprise, happy birthday. So I'm going to say, 1, 2, 3, surprise, happy birthday. All right, let's practice.
Because he's going to be here.
I'm going to be up there. So I'm going to say, 1, 2, 3, surprise, happy birthday.
All right, everybody, surprise on first. Now you're good.
Not yet. Yeah, you're in charge, Jared.
I don't know where Philip is.
I think you need to meet him. He's so excited.
He's so excited.
He is really excited. I think this is his first, like, in on a surprise party.
His worst nightmare.
Oh.
I'm trying to buy you another beer. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday, baby.
Yes, I am live. Look at all these. Oh, at least. Hey, baby. Oh, thank you. Oh.
Congratulations to your 40th birthday.
I would like to say to Dustin.
Oh, what's up, dude? 40 years. Woohoo! It was good coaching with you. Part of it.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dustin.
That's all I
Slap.
got.
Fucking slap.
No, I don't know him well enough.
What's better than 1-0?
What kind of camera is that?
Roast. I already roasted him. Dustin, known you since we were 7 years old, buddy. You still have not improved. You're more literate, slightly.
Dustin, happy birthday. Long time no see, brother. Enjoy yourself. You're getting old now, bro.
All right. Hello there, Dustin Sober. Glenn Mitchell here. You didn't know. Happy birthday, okay? So I want to tell you that Julia will be here, my daughter and her boyfriend, Nathan. Denise is in Big Bear. Kayla is in Arizona watching the Angels spring training game. So speaking of that, I am going to take you to any Angel game that you want to this year for your birthday present. So you pick the game on me, but you have to buy your own beers because I can't afford those, okay? All right, buddy. Happy birthday, 40, man. I love you. See you, Dustin.
#1 pickle kisser. I just want to say happy birthday. All the Almanza family. I know we're not all here, but we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dustin.
Okay. And I'll be honest, I don't like the guy. I'll just be real. You lucky to have 40 years alive, because you ain't gonna make it to 50 fucking with me. I'm gonna tell you like this. I beat you in golf every time we play. I'm better looking. I'm a better dancer, singer. I'm just a better human being. You know what I mean? So, happy 40th.
I wish you wouldn't be such a bitch all the time.
Well, you're a hoe.
It's tough. Thank you, for bringing me along as a coach.
Happy
but
40th.
happy 40th.
You bitch ass nigga.
What's up? Happy birthday, Dustin. Cheers, buddy.
Hey Dustin, happy 40th birthday. Just wanted to let you know that 1984 was the year I graduated high school.
Say it to the camera.
Sorry, Dad. The buttons feel really good.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dad. No. Hello. Happy birthday.
Dustin, happy birthday. We hope you have a wonderful day and an even better year. So happy birthday from your favorite neighbors. Have a great one.
Say to Dustin.
Happy birthday, Dustin. We love you.
Oh, okay.
Happy birthday, Dustin.
Hi, Dustin. Happy birthday. Glad we can celebrate with you. Surprise.
You guys have anything
Happy
you'd like to say
birthday,
to Dustin?
Silver. Happy birthday.
Good job. Hey, say something to Dustin.
Dustin, happy birthday. Welcome to 40.
You were such a little sloth when you gave me a hug when we got here. Happy birthday, dummy. Love you. Love you.
Is there anything you want to say to Dustin?
You're a terrible golfer. You're also really ugly. First of all.
Yeah, nice.
What else? What am I missing? Most guys get better looking as they get older. I'm still waiting for you. Maybe you're gonna have to wait a few more years. Maybe 45.
He's fat.
Yeah,
Oh
you're,
my God.
you're not fat. You're just mostly ugly.
But he's husky.
Yeah, husky.
Big ankles.
Big
Oh
egg.
my God.
But
Besides that, I mean, like,
But besides that,
you're
yeah.
a good guy. I mean, like, you know what I mean?
aside from all that,
Somewhat, like, you can't really say.
somebody has to come in last place when we go.
No, that's so
Somebody
mean.
has to
Happy
come in
birthday.
Like out of 4 people, somebody has to come in last place,
And as long as it's not me, I'm good with that.
right?